Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to select a non-standard screen resolution on your Mac by adjusting these scaled settings in the display options on System Preferences. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So just like I just said, we're going to go ahead and open up System Preferences down in our dock. And then you want to select the Displays button. So again, left click on Displays, and then select the Display tab up at the top, and then where it says Resolution, select Scaled, and then once you select Scaled, you have the option of doing a couple different options here. So if you adjust it, it says, are you sure you want to switch to the Scaled Resolution? Go ahead and select OK. You can see it might be a little bit messed up here, so you could always switch it back to a different one, or you could do default for display. So again, very straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.